Heading into the open, our short-term bias continues to be neutral, and the larger time frame pattern hasn't really changed, and the market is still balancing within this multi-day range. And as I covered in yesterday's trade plan, when you're in a very defined balance, the high probability trades are going to be zone fades near the bottom of balance or the top of balance, and in between, we're going to have to be more selective and careful. So off the open, how ES behaves at the 95.75 to 97.75 initial resistance and the 77.25 to 82.25 initial support is going to help determine which side is being more dominant in the event that we get a proper and sustainable breakout above initial resistance, where the breakout ends up quickly taking out the 4400 half to 02 half area. That would be an intraday bullish indication, which could lead to a test of 4405 to 09, as well as yesterday's RTH high at 12 to 14. And sellers can be active up here on first test, and then we have the all-time high area at 18 half to 22 half, where again sellers can defend. Now, in the event that we get a breakdown below initial support on broad market weakness and some notable downside momentum, that can result in a test of the balance area low at 64 half to 68 half, and possibly even 55.75 to 60.75, and both of these are important areas of support where there is potential for larger time frame buyers to be active and defend, and we would need to see excess weakness and big and sustained downside momentum in order to get a proper multi-day balance breakdown below these areas of support. Now, these are valid support areas until broken, and by default, we are going to expect buyers to defend there, and it is going to take some decent downside momentum in order to put in a proper and sustainable breakdown below these zones.